Greetings, everyone. Boost your business with accurate TikTok tracking. Hi, I am Taslima Akhtar, a web analytics and conversion tracking expert. I specialize in TikTok pixel conversion API with even deduplication, ensuring accurate tracking and better ad performance. I show you this. Are you business owner struggling with TikTok ad performance tracking issue? I can help you track event like page view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and place order with deduplication to avoid double counting. I have successfully set up this tracking for multiple businesses, ensuring higher accuracy and better return on ad spend ROAS. If you want the sum for your business, watch my video and let's work together. Contact me today to get a start. TikTok Pixel, Conversion API, GA4, Google Tag Manager, Web Analytics. Thank you for everyone. Bye bye.